In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive and PowerPoint online effectively. Whether you're working on a presentation for school or putting together materials for a business meeting, these powerful online tools can help streamline your workflow and keep your files accessible anywhere you go. First things first, you'll need to access your OneDrive account. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL for OneDrive. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up using your email. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your OneDrive homepage, showcasing all your files and folders. It's like having a virtual filing cabinet right at your fingertips. From here, you can upload your existing files or create new ones. Simply click on Upload to bring documents from your computer into your OneDrive cloud storage. This way, you ensure all your important work is backed up and available wherever you are. With your files safely stored, let's dive into creating a new PowerPoint presentation directly through OneDrive. Click on that New button at the top and select PowerPoint Presentation from the drop-down menu. This opens a blank PowerPoint canvas in PowerPoint Online where you can start designing your slides. The beauty of using PowerPoint Online is that it autosaves your work as you go, preventing any potential loss of your hard-earned progress. Next, let's talk about enhancing your presentation. Use the wide variety of templates available to give your slides a professional look. You can find these under the Design tab. Don't be afraid to experiment. Changing the theme midway is as simple as a couple of clicks. Also, under the Insert tab, you can add images, charts, and even videos directly from OneDrive or your device to make your presentation more dynamic and engaging. Collaboration is key in today's connected world, and PowerPoint Online makes this incredibly easy. If you wish to add someone to help edit the slides, click on the Share button. You can enter their email address to send an invitation directly. They'll be able to view or edit the presentation in real time alongside you, which is perfect for group projects or collaborative tasks. OneDrive keeps a history of all file versions, so you never have to worry about losing track of changes. Finally, when your presentation is complete, it's time to present. PowerPoint Online offers a presenter view, so you can practice your delivery while seeing your notes and the upcoming slides. And once you're ready, simply hit Present to start your slideshow. That's it for today's video. This simple yet comprehensive guide should help you harness the power of OneDrive and PowerPoint Online, making your work more efficient and accessible. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.